Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best small tablets on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Amazon Fire 7 Small Tablet. The Amazon Fire 7 tablet is the perfect tablet for reading, typing, and all your work-related needs. This faster-than-ever tablet sits at an affordable price, making it the best overall on this list. It features a 7-inch IPS display with higher contrast and impressive image clarity for a great viewing experience from all angles. It has 1 GB RAM with a high-performance quad-core 1.3 GHz processor that allows you to browse the internet, check your email, and read your favorite ebooks with virtually no lag. The tablet also offers flexibility to choose between 16 GB or 32 GB internal storage. And with a micro slot that supports up to 512 GB, you can increase the storage capacity if you pay extra. Number 2. Samsung A7 Lite Small Tablet. The Samsung A7 Lite tablet boasts a sleek, streamlined design and high-gloss finish on a robust metal frame built to last. It features a capacitive 8.7-inch Wuxka Plus display for an immersive visual experience. With 32 GB of storage and support for up to 1 TB of extra space, it gives you plenty of room to store all your content. The quad speakers tuned by AKG give rich, deep sound for watching movies or listening to your favorite music, while the high-speed processor allows a smooth and effortless transition from one app to the other. All the customer reviews are raving about the outstanding battery life that can take you from morning to night without having to sit it in the charger. Number 3. DragonTouch K10 Small Tablet. The DragonTouch K10 tablet is a perfect companion for entertainment and productivity. With the 10-inch display and full HD 1280x800 IPS display, you get a more crisp and detailed visual experience. Along with GM certification, it is equipped with 2 GB RAM and a powerful 2 GHz quad-core processor that offers unrivaled performance, all while bringing your gaming, surfing, and multimedia experience to a whole new level. It also features an advanced iCare mode that minimizes glare and optimizes backlight, allowing you to comfortably use the tablet at night. It has a low-latency dual Wi-Fi mode that connects seamlessly to maintain a strong network connection. The integrated GPS provides accurate location tracking and makes it a perfect car companion. Number 4. Lenovo M8 Small Tablet. The Lenovo M8 tablet is truly a do-it-all device. With a vibrant 8-inch HD 1280 by 800 display, it delivers an innovative visual experience. This Lenovo tablet makes your favorite movies more immersive than ever. It runs on the latest Google Android 9.0 Pie operating system and has a powerful Qualcomm octa-core processor. It allows you to browse the web smoothly and handle multiple apps with no performance lag. What makes this tablet stand out among others is its special light and display technology that reduces eye fatigue with continuous usage. It has built-in Bluetooth 5.0 and 2.5 GHz Wi-Fi that ensures seamless and efficient connectivity. Number 5. 2023 Newest Android 11.0 Tablet. This Android 11.0 tablet is a versatile and powerful device that can be used for a variety of tasks, from work and school to entertainment and gaming. It features a large 10.1-inch IPS display with a resolution of 1280 by 800 pixels, providing sharp and clear images. The tablet is powered by an octa-core processor and 4 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth and responsive performance. It also comes with 64 GB of internal storage, which can be expanded up to 512 GB via microSD card. One of the key features of the 2023 newest Android 11.0 tablet is its 2-in-1 design. It comes with a detachable keyboard and stylus, making it easy to use for both work and play. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.